This is my Illinois pocket watch. It's a key wine. Number is 5353. As far as I can tell, it's about 1875 or so. The time is 1:08 going on 1:09. And you see we have 1:08 right here on my atomic watch. We got 1:08 going on 1:09. So it keeps accurate time. I mean, it may be off a minute in a couple days. I'm amazed at how accurate this watch is. And to set the time, you put this key right here and turn it to set the time. Also, on the back, you wind her up right there, like so. And inside, we have the works. It says Springfield, Illinois, Hoyt. And it's been ticking. Let's see, 138 years maybe. 138 years this watch has been around. Comes with this chain, and on this chain I added this key loop, and then this is the key. This key here says 1874 on it, and then I also built this handy pocket watch display, and it goes like that. And I believe that's a block of wormy chestnut, if I'm not mistaken. I built that, and I think it turned out pretty well. But I like to keep it under the glass because it keeps the humidity and moisture out of it, and it's a good way to preserve this fine timepiece. And also, we'll see if we can get a close-up of the face. Illinois Springfield Watch Company. There you have it. And while we're here, I might as well show you my Casio. It's atomic so it's very accurate, and it tells you the moon and the tide. So I got 1:11 and a half. I got 1:11 and 20 seconds on here. So I mean, they are right on. This pocket watch is right on time. There you have it. There's my old pocket watch.